What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about the JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker. Now, this is probably the mid-range when it comes to JBL's Bluetooth speakers. We've seen some smaller ones, and they also offer a lot larger ones as well. But this is the mid-range, and I think this is a great overall speaker for sound as well as portability. Like you can see, it is not all that big. It does have the lanyard here as well, so you can easily strap this on the back of a backpack. Talking about being portable and taking this with you places, this is IP67 water and dust proof, so you don't have to worry about taking it to the pool or to the beach. You know, sand gets in here, it won't be an issue. If this gets wet or you drop it in the water, that's not going to be an issue either. 100% waterproof and dust proof, which is really great there. Talking about sound too, this is one of the few speakers in this sort of size that actually offers a subwoofer, tweeter, and dual passive radiator. So you're gonna get some really great sound out of this, which I will show you. As you can see, it has that cylindrical shape, which also really lends it to, you know, just easily throw in a backpack. Around it, we do have our controls here. So this, we'll actually do it this way. Here at the top, we do have that link button, and this will actually allow you to link up to 100 of these if you want some, you know, crazy sound. You can link multiple of these together. So your friend has one, then you can get even better sound there. Then we have minus and plus, you know, for your volume, and then we have play pause right here. Moving over, we have our connection for power, which is Type-C, and they do include the cable. Type-C charging will be 2 hours. That will give you a full charge, and then that will give you up to 12 hours of playback. We have a little activity LED right here, Bluetooth button and power button. I really like that we do have the dedicated Bluetooth button, because a lot of these speakers, they want you to hold in the button for so many seconds, and sometimes it just gets messed up. Having dedicated Bluetooth button is great, just makes it really easy to connect to your device. This does use Bluetooth 5.1. And then we have a little rubber foot on here, because when you put this on the ground, you know, it's not gonna go anywhere with that rubber foot. And you can actually put it this way, or you can put it this way. You know, you can, however you wanna set it up, you can go ahead and do that. And I didn't mention that we do have the black color here. It's available in a ton of different colors as well. Playing music on this Bluetooth speaker is extremely easy. So we're just gonna tap the power button, turn it on, and when it turns on, it's gonna make an audible sound, and then it will make another audible sound once it's paired to your device. I've already paired it here to my iPhone, so we're already ready to go. Let's go ahead and hit play and listen to how loud this is. And you can see so you could see those radiators going. I mean, this thing is incredibly loud for its size, which I absolutely love. So if you want to fill up a room, this is going to do it no problem. If you're outside with your friends, everybody's going to be able to hear the music too. And like I said, you can link multiple of these together, and you can't get over that this is waterproof as well as dustproof, because accidents do happen. So if you are looking for an excellent Bluetooth speaker, this is one that I would definitely recommend.